Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Annette. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the common errors in Excel. What you have to do first is you first log into Excel. The way you've seen I've done mine. I'll be taking you through the 4 common errors we have in Excel. I'll be taking you through these 4 errors and how each of them comes by. Like the hashtag div stroke 0, hashtag ref. The ref stands for reference, the hashtag value, then hashtag name. I'll be taking you through each of them. I'll be taking you through this first one, hashtag divided by 0, and I'll be showing you how that comes. This hashtag divide by 0, it comes when you divide a number by 0. Like you all know, like no number can be divided by 0. It's like automatically a 0 if you divide a number by 0. So that's how this error comes. Hashtag divide by 0. Let me show you like an example. Let me say if we decide to, let me say 50 dividing any number by 0. You see it will automatically bring you this. So that's how this error comes by, which is indicating that there's no number which is it's indicating that there's no number which is divisible by 0. So it automatically tell you that it's an error. So the second error we have is hashtag ref. The second one is ref, which stands for reference. And if I say reference means a number being it's in what reference to an invalid cell. So let me show you how this error comes by. I can come here to this cell and type a number. Let me say 5, and I'll come here and reference it to so the digit is here in this cell. So I'll come and reference it here. Let me say I come here and say B14. I'm sorry. So I'll come here and say B14 in reference to here it is in reference to this digit 14 in cell 14.
And delete this.
So after coming here and pressing equals to B14, referencing to the 14 in cell 14, it will show you the same digit 14 here. So
Spit out works and shop drawing.
So if you go ahead to delete it, it's going to bring you here hashtag ref showing this. And another error we have is hashtag value, which means there is a wrong argument. Like maybe if in your formula, for example, maybe you want to add up something, but maybe you press a cell and that cell has no digit. Let me show you. Let me say, for example, in this cell you have let me say, for example, in this cell you have 4, and this down cell perhaps you have 5. So you want to add them up. And so you're going to come here and you want to add them up. So it's going to be B12 plus B11, and maybe you decide to add a digit from this cell, which obviously you're seeing there's no value, and you go ahead to add plus B10. Let me say, for example, we decided to add this, which is going to be B11 plus B plus B10. So this error hashtag value comes by when you add 2 digits. So let me, yeah, so plus B B11 plus B, yeah, B10, then plus, let me say, B8. And we have seen in this case B8 here, it doesn't have a value but a name or maybe a statement. So that's how this error comes. It shows you hashtag value because one of the digits, it's maybe, okay, one of the values you are adding was not a value, was not a number, but maybe a name, a statement, or something. So, and the last error we have is hashtag name. Yes, so this hashtag name comes by when you're looking for a range name which is not present. And so one of the functions we have is counting function, and of course it will ask for the range, counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. Yeah, so if we do this countif, it will ask for range. So let me say there's this range which we, yeah, it will ask for range, and I'm going to write here a range which is not, okay, the range name is not available. So okay, it is. So after doing this, you see it's going to bring this hashtag name error, meaning there's an error with the name I've used, the range name I've used. So yeah, I hope you have learned something. That's all I had for today in this video. Till next time, bye bye.